What were you discussing with HKs?
This girl, you like Jesus.
Yes, so.
Like Jesus. How did you see us?
Is that the answer to my question? What were you discussing with him? Tell me.
Please leave me. It's something secret.
So I should call it secret love.
If you like. If you like.
Okay, for what happened?
My mother warned me not to leave her pot of soup in the kitchen anytime I'm going out. Obugo.
Hey, Kiru.
Bia, Chakube. This is not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter at all. You know how strict my mother is. This woman is killing me today. I don't want to cut into her trouble, Biko. Just go to the stream, eh? I'll meet you later.
Please, my mother this, my mother that. Oh. Drop this baby in this lonely place. Your mother must have been a very wicked woman. Take you to my house. I know my mother will be very happy to see you.
So, after all I said, you refuse to return back that evil child. You refuse to return her.
That child was created by Chi. And we can't just throw her out like that. Her mother that kept her in that lonely God-forsaken stream must be heartless. I'm not taking that child out of this compound.
Eziokwu. So, you are now raising voice at me. Mwa! Nkuzie ikwo. Abria!
Nne, you're a mother. I didn't expect you to behave like this to this child, this beautiful girl. You know the pain of childbearing and the value of child. I'm not taking her out of this compound, girl.
How dare you? What? What did you just say?
Nne, you slapped me.
I will slap you over and over again. So you suddenly grown wings? Eh?
Because I told you a truth. A bitter truth. I'm not taking her away, oh. I'm not taking her out of this compound.
I'm not. Come here! Hey! What has come over, sister? Because of that evil child. Because of that evil child! You stay in my own house. No way! That baby! No! I cannot keep that baby in my house!
Wait, Chocolate. You've not told me the name of this your precious.
I've not given her any name yet.
Then what do you call her?
I call her Tata.
Tata.
Please. Nico.
Why not call her Adora?
Thank you. It seems our chi created our mind. The same place and the same time.
You can say it again.
Adora, I love it.
Marital.
Mama! Nne, that is over my dead body.
Eh? Over your dead body? That means prepare to kill me.
Nne.
Prepare to kill me!
No one is killing someone here.
You see this thing I am trying to tell you now? That evil child! He must leave this compound now!
So where?
Anywhere you bring the child! Is it from the bush? It's not
possible. Nne, stop! Nne, stop! Please stand up. Wake up. Nne, please wake up. I have killed my mother. Oh, no. Nne, please now. Nne, please. Nne, please. Nne, please wake up. Nne, please. Oh.
No. Please. Her death was scary. Just a little quarrel. And then just fell down. Just like that.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please, forget it. It's okay. Like, seriously, you are hurting yourself.
Everybody goes against her.
How do you mean?
She was just insisting I take my child Adora out of the house. She was just struggling to enter into my heart. And suddenly, them just fell down. That was the last time I set my eyes on my mother.
This is outrageous,
See, Jacob. Calm down. Just forget it and calm down.
The gods, not everything.
I'm here for you now. It's okay. I was in the leg.
It's strange.
Honestly, I don't know why the gods allow such Have you finally chosen a day with your people to come and pay my bride?
I will surprise you very soon.
go beyond this place. There is a reason for all happenings on earth. So stop crying. Young lady, take her home before the spirit gets angry.
She warned me not to marry you, that you were a cursed child. But I wasn't listening to her. Look at it. You can't even give me a child. Even if it's an imbecile.
Oh. Oh. My husband. Why are you making me feel as if I'm the creator of babies?
Let me warn you. If by this time next season, you are not able to give me a child, you leave me with no other option than to marry another wife. I know.
Timoma, you cannot do this to me. It's not fair, please. Honambiko.
Chukwe, the condition is clear. The condition is clear. This time next season, no child. I will marry another wife.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Mother.
What are you looking at? Get out of this place! Get out! What is so special in that girl? That he doesn't even notice my beauty. But me? What do I do now? What? I love him so much that I would gladly spend the rest of my life with him. What do I do now? What? I've tried everything, but to no avail.
What's eating her? Princess. Princess.
Mother, you're here.
I've been standing here for quite some time. Watching you. Any problem?
No, Mother.
But you're crying.
Crying? No, I'm not crying. Mother, it's nothing.
Whatever.
Where have you been since morning? Your brother has been looking for you. You were nowhere to be found.
No, sorry, I went to see Adam.
Which Adora? Adora that was here asking after you.
How come?
Obinna, I hope you're not seeing another maiden.
Can you say a thing like that?
Because I don't know you anymore.
Papa, please talk to me. Talk to me.
Talk to her over what? Have I been going out with you?
But you both know that I cannot go out with any other maiden in this kingdom. Where is Arinze? Arinze!
Is it my fault that I've not been able to have a child? Is it my fault? Am I not your child? Don't worry yourself. The gods know why all these things are happening. I'll always be there for you. Yes. I love you so much.
Hurt him. I don't want to hurt him. Hurt who? Mother, how do you mean?
I heard you saying you don't want to hurt them.
No, I never said anything like that. Mother, why are you looking at me like that? I want to go and see my mom.
Okay. But don't stay too long.
See you, Mother. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's like you're going out.
Yes, I want to go and fetch some back for him.
Okay. Oh, is he back?
Okay, Obinna. Yes, he's feeding the goat. He's there.
Okay, let me see him.
Alright, okay. That must be my love.
Oh, yeah. Okay. About.
Hey, oh, hey, hey,
My heart is pounding for your love.
This is not the right time for this. Can't do this now. Maybe very soon. We'll do it. How this girl will touch. I know. I really need to surprise you too. I will take you to the stream. It will just be you and I. We can spend some time together.
But you...
Shh. Speak.
I prayed of the gods, bring them together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
You're not saying anything. You came looking for me.
Something happened.
What happened?
I pray that the gods bring us together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
Why are you deviating from your mission? Who are you? Do you think you can run away from your being? No, it's not possible. You can't be me. You better not follow him to that stream. Else, the calamity that will befall you will be told to the next generation.
I'm crying for you. Please come to me. I'm crying for your love. Hey, Obina. I pray that the gods bring us together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
You.
Caught me in love and run away from your being.
No, it's not possible. You are not my being.
is happening to her?
What is the problem? Nothing. I'm fine, Mama.
Are you sure?
Yes. I wish to be left alone. Huh? Please. I wish to be left alone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can't someone rest in this house?
It's not you I'm talking to. Eh? It's not you I'm talking to. So you want my fellow women to laugh at me? Someone that was betrothed to you.
Why is everyone accusing me of what I didn't do? Why?
Accusing you. I am disappointed in you. Highly disappointed.
The blood of an innocent child. I've come for revenge. Calamity everywhere.
Hey! Who are you? Hey! Hey! Hey!
The blood of an innocent child. I've come for revenge. Calamity everywhere. Destruction.
Love. Love is truly wicked. She loves you so much. She has done everything to please you and make you happy. But you can't reciprocate.
Mother. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine.
No, you are not fine.
You are used to bring peace and harmony to the kingdom of Israel. Destiny must take place.
Everything will be alright.
Destiny and harmony to the kingdom of Israel. Destiny must take place. Destiny must take its place. Yeah, you coco. Yeah, you coco. Yeah, you coco.
Mother.
My daughter.
Did my father deny the pregnancy?
How do you mean?
Is my father from this Asian?
Adora, what has come over you? Organic.
Nothing is wrong with me, Mother. is because of the way Father treats you with so much hatred. And he calls me all sorts of names.
Adora, please. Adora, please don't talk like that. Huh? Your father died when I was pregnant of you. When he was about paying my bride price. They stole him from me.
I hate him.
Shh. Don't say a thing like that, please.
Doing what, Anna?
You have made her to start having bad feelings about you, and I never wanted that.
Oh, do I look like I care? Do I look like I care? Let me tell you, that girl was an evil child, planted at that stream. You went and brought her home in the name of being merciful and compassionate. Now, what is happening? Jokube?
I beg you in the name of the gods. Biko.
Who will I call her? What is she? Then they can go there. If he tried, does not ask after what killed his father, and the child will suffer the same fate.
Meaning what?
Thank you. Have you taken time to ask yourself what killed your mother?
Oh, that's it. I'm not taking this. No, I can't take this from
you. Will not take it? Oh, no, how will you take it? But can I talk about it?
What is my sin? What have I done wrong to deserve all this? Why can't I have joy? Why can't I have peace?
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is.
What is going on, my love? Why are you crying? Please stop and answer me.
I want to be left alone.
My love, if I am more, eh, I'll be more. If I am more, eh, I'll be more. Come to me. I'm crying for your love, hey, Obina. I pray that the gods bring us together.
That's finally happened.
What is pursuing the lover girl from the direction of their love tree?
Well, I saw her running down the path, crying. So, tell me, it's finally over, right?
If not for one thing, I would have given you the beating of your life.
Why do you hate me so much?
When next you come close to me, I will not regret being your killer.
What are you looking at?
I'm sorry, my friend.
Will you get out of my sight?
What's really going on? What have I done to her? Okay. What's eating you up again? I need you to help me. Beyond it. You meet her and she will talk to you. Talk to me about what? The problems. I want you to go and make her talk. I don't know how you're going to do it, but just do it. But are you sure you're not seeing another man? Good nonsense. Sorry. I'll try and talk to you. You don't have to try. I want you to do it. Maybe I'll try. But you know I'm very sometimes. Just go and do your best. I know you can do it. What? That shouldn't be the reason why you're in as much as you know you're not cheating. Come
Father.
My princess. What is it? Okay. Let's close it. My beauty.
Your mother told me that you have not eaten your food since morning. What is the problem?
It's Obina, the son of Ejike.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Father, you know I've never fallen in love before. I love him. But Adora, the daughter of Chekube, she won't let him admire my beauty.
Is that all?
Father, I really love him and I want to marry him.
Okay. You know what you have to do now? Just put a smile on that beautiful face. You will get all you want.
Okay, Father.
Long live the inhabitants of this compound.
Guards of the royal house, you are welcome.
Thank you. The king demands for your son.
My son? Which of my sons?
Your first son, Obinna.
And why has the king demanded to see me?
You will know that better when you get to the palace.
My children, I hope all is well.
Definitely, all is well. Let's go!
Miss the presence of my son.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. You're welcome, you're welcome.
You're not looking bad at all.
Really? Thank you so much. Thank you. So how is everyone?
Everybody's fine.
Mama?
Mama is good.
And
of course it's fine. Hey, where is Mama?
she went to the market. So what did you bring for me?
My brother, the husband, said I should get it. He's a very nice hunter. It's like you like it.
I love it. Please tell him I enjoyed it.
Wow.
Concerning what you told me at this trip.
Yes.
I hold nothing against you.
Really?
Yes. He hasn't done anything wrong to me. I love him so much.
Then why do you behave as if he has committed a grievous sin?
No. Listen, Obinna is all I have. I don't have any other man in my life. I love him so much, I adore him so much. Please, make him to understand that.
Okay?
Please.
I'll tell him.
Okay, so let me enjoy my meat.
I should be on my own.
Alright, stay please, let's just have missed him. So go to a go and give me.
Let's just while you eat push meat and I'm watching.
You have nothing.
Sorry, Your Highness. I have never felt anything for your daughter. Now listen well. My daughter has never in her life had any feelings for any man. You should be thanking the gods of our land that amongst all men in this community, she has decided to make you her number one. You should be thanking the gods. I understand perfectly, Your Highness. Believe me, you know what love is. Love is something that works with emotions and feelings. And I am betrothed to someone whom I love. Mr. Love, are you going to eat love? No, answer me. Are you going to eat love? Look at you. Here you are. My daughter is offering you the golden opportunity of your life to become the future king of this community, and you are rejecting it. I am sorry, Your Highness. I love her daughter. And she will be the mother of my children. Get out of my house. Get out. I'm sorry. I said get out!
Hey. What do I do?
Harrison, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from our wife's house at that.
So you went to Dora's house without informing anybody?
No, Mama. You were not there.
Obinna, welcome. Are you okay?
Yes. This one you're looking like this, Obinna.
What happened?
Where is he coming from?
Some guys came here earlier today, saying that the king missed his presence.
The king? What must have happened that made him look so sad?
You know your brother. He likes to keep his problems to himself.
What must have happened that makes him look so sad?
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I am more, if I am more.
What is it? What happened again?
Can you imagine that the evil invited me to his chamber only to tell me that I am the only man in his village that is not that the princess fell for? It was funny.
The princess of Izan loves you. And what did you tell him?
You here to mock me?
Mock my own brother? Am I stupid?
Oh God, you can leave now.
Obinna, no. He has not gotten to this extent.
I said you should leave at once! Obinna!
Obinna.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love.
Why did you spit out the honey that you already have in your mouth? Excuse me, what kind of love will make you to reject a great opportunity of becoming the next Igwe of Ezani Kingdom? If not for our relationship, I would have given you an injury you will not forget in your whole life. Haven't you heard that you were born almost a year after she was born? It's not an insult. You're my friend. Watch your path. Watch your path. Is it bad for a friend to advise his friend?
Wait, Obinna! Obinna!
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, for your love.
What is this?
My heart is pounding.
How many pieces of meat are you?
For your love.
My husband, you know today is not our for market. I just managed to prepare something for us to eat.
Yeah, you managed to prepare this one so that we can eat. And you have the shameless intellect to stand there. The next time you prepare this nonsense again, you will visit your father. And what are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here?
Why are you treating her like this? No, tell me, why do you hate her so much? What has she done to deserve this? Why are you treating my mother this way? Is she a fault that she has not given birth?
Are you asking me a question?
Yes!
Adora, go and look for your parents. We are not your parents. We are not your parents. You are evil. We hate you.
I hate you more!
Hate me.
Yes!
My husband. My husband. My husband. Okay. What happened?
Father.
What happened to you?
My princess. My beauty, why? Why have you decided to be hurting yourself? Why?
Father, he's all I need now. Obina is the only one that can bring back my happiness.
Okay, calm down, please, calm down. I will make sure I do everything to make him yours, okay?
But there's still a problem.
Yes.
That useless girl that calls herself Adora.
Come, my dear, come. See, take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Everything will be alright. Trust me, your father. Okay?
Okay, Father.
It's okay like that.
I cannot. He poured the soup I served him on me. The next voice I heard was Adora's voice. Then by the time I raised my head up, I saw my husband lying there helplessly and motionless.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Hey. What do we call this kind of thing?
Hey.
She should be.
Lola.
Igwe.
She is my only daughter. My priority should be to make her happy. She's the only one you have given to me. So it should be for us to make her happy.
That's the wrong way of making her happy. How can you support her going in between two people that have already been betrothed to each other since birth? So?
Come on, come on. Your concern should be on how to make your daughter happy. Your daughter's happiness, not on two people who may have been betrothed for ages. No.
Igwe, making her happy shouldn't be encouraging her to do something wrong.
You know that.
Something wrong?
Yes.
Oh, is it wrong now for somebody to love?
I didn't say that. But all I am saying is that you're spoiling our girl. You are spoiling our daughter. You and I know that nothing will separate those two lovebirds. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Alright, I have heard you. Please, I need some rest.
Ndonu, Chiwetel. Chiwelu. Chide no bi onaka. Nwana ndidi. Ndonu. Chiwetel. Chiwelu. Chide no bi onaka. Ndonu.
Don't yourself. Please take it easy on yourself. Please put yourself together.
Mazi, Your Highness, these are all yours. From me to you.
But Your Highness, why are you giving me all these gifts? I have not done anything to deserve them. Honestly, I am surprised.
Oh, do not be surprised. Don't be. I just want you to do me a favor.
Your Highness, you know I have always been loyal to the truth. Tell me, what is it you want me to do for you?
Mazi, my daughter, the princess of this land, my only daughter, loves your son.
The blood of an innocent child.
Mother.
I've come for revenge. Allow me to everywhere.
Why are you doing this to yourself?
Destruction everywhere.
Tears will not bring you back. Please, stop doing this to yourself. I beg of you.
Why would I cry? When I don't even know what killed my husband.
Oh, Mother, the gods know the best. Please, I beg of you, stop crying. You've not eaten anything since, and it's not good for your health. Let me go and get your food for you. I'm not hungry, please. This is not good. You don't want to kill me. Why are you doing this to us?
I'm not hungry.
Mother, why are you hurting us? Please, let me get you something to eat, please. Please, I don't like this thing you're doing to yourself. Please, Mother, please, now let me go and get you food. Please. Should I go and get you food? Mother, you're not fine. You're not fine. Please, let me go and get you something to eat. Please.
Papa, did your father force you to marry me? How can you talk to your father in that manner? Obinna, some truths are said to be bitter, but the least I can do as your father is to tell you the truth at all times.
My husband, please, you people should just stop. Both of you should just stop this. Stop!
You're here watching your son insult me, right? No problems. I'll forgive him and pretend as if this never happened because of what we stand to gain when this marriage holds. But please tell him to do the right thing.
Hey, Papa, I never insulted you. All I am saying is that Papa should take all those items back to the way. Because there will never be a time I will have anything to do with that pompous princess. I will not, never, I can never have that. I will not, I can never.
Now listen to me. You better talk to him.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love.
My heart is pounding. It's for your love. I need you. I need you, my love.
My husband. Let's take this thing easy and solve this matter amicably. Doing it by force will not solve any problems. My husband. Adora has been betrothed to our son a long time ago. Why are you doing as if you don't know the tradition of our land? This is an agreement between her mother and myself. The king only wants his daughter to marry our son for her own selfish interest. Please.
As far as I know, change is the only permanent thing in this life.
Why is this king coming between the long-lasting, established relationship?
The worst part of it is that if you say these things beside him, he will make you an enemy.
Why is it that things do not go to people that miss it? Why?
Well, what's my concern? Was I betrothed to any maiden? But to be honest with you, Obinna is a fool. I cannot boastfully say that Obinna is my friend. Never! I can't!
I'm highly disappointed in Obinna.
Man, you're not as much disappointed as I am. Let's go, I beg.
What does the presence of Ezam want from us?
I want someone dead.
And who could that be?
Adora.
Princess, you know our price.
Rape her to death.
What is the problem? Why are you blocking my way? What is it? What do you want? What is it now?
How is your mother?
No, she's fine. What have I done?
I sent her to go and get me some firewood since morning. I don't know why she's not yet back. Okay, let's go and sit down somewhere.
No, she's back.
Adora, what kept you? Huh? What kept you?
But I'm sorry, they wanted to rape me.
Oh yeah?
Which people?
Who? Where? How?
I was coming back from the farm. Suddenly, I saw one boy standing in front of me. So when I wanted to leave, he blocked my way. When I was about asking him what the problem is, another two appeared from the back. They covered my mouth with their hands and took me to the bush where they wanted to rape me. If not for the intervention of the gods, Mother.
Adam, did they succeed? I'm just going to carry this one.
I know, they didn't.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love.
Where are you running?
Princess, okay.
Who is after you?
Princess, you should have told us in time that you want us to go and meet our death.
What are you talking about?
Our brother is dead. Our brother is dead.
Dead?
Our brother is dead.
I don't understand. What is happening?
That guy is not an ordinary guy. That is not understand. He's dead. Oh, our brother is dead. Oh, we'll go. Huh?
So you mean the three of you could not even carry out a simple job just to rape that small girl?
Rape is not ordinary. Look at it, Joss. You are calling that girl ordinary. Joss, see, listen, let me tell you. That girl is... Who would have won for your name? Again for you. I have to. I will not say what I say, but I have to leave now. I know, but I'm leaving.
No. They won't beat me this way. They can't go scot-free. No way. Yes. Obina will pay for this. He must pay for this.
Why didn't you allow me feel your body, my wife, to be? I love you, and you know that.
My heart is pounding for your love. I need you. I need you. My love.
What is the problem? What is eating you up, Obi?
Arinze, how long have you been standing here?
Long enough to hear everything I've been saying.
That's no problem.
Obi, I'm your brother. You can't be in this mood and tell me that there's no problem. Obinna. Obinna, talk to me.
Hey, Obinna. I pray that the gods bring us together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
Mother? Mother? Obinna loves you so much, and I'm sure he wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
Mother, I know all that.
He's a man, and very soon both of you will get married. And by the grace of the gods, you'll start raising your own family.
Mother, why are you saying all this?
Adora, I am not new to this earth. I know when two people who are in love share glances.
But I don't understand.
Don't worry. You'll understand this very soon. Adora.
Mother.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mother. I love you so much.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding.
Why are you crying?
For your love.
Mother, it's Obinna. Wanted to rape me.
What? Obinna did what?
But thank the gods who saved me from his wicked intentions.
Princess, are you sure of what you have just said?
Father, look at me.
So Obinna wanted to rape you, that fool. Guards!
Your Highness.
Go and get me that Obinna here immediately.
Yes,
go to him here now. Quickly!
I'm praying for your love, hey, Obinna. I pray that the gods bring us together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
And why does the king want to see me?
Till you get to the palace.
Move! Don't push me.
If you don't move now, I'll move you. Rapist.
What did you call me?
Till you get to the palace. Move!
Papa!
taking Obina to?
They're taking him to the palace. They said Obina raped someone.
Obina? Raped someone?
You heard me?
No. It must be somebody that looks like him. No! Obina.
I am more, Obina. If I am more, Obina. I'm crying for you. Please come to me.
Your Highness. Your Highness, why am I being dragged to the palace like a common thief?
You do not know? So the food served you free, which you rejected, is what you have decided to steal now. Eh?
Your Highness, what is going on?
You wanted to rape my daughter. My jewel, my only source of joy, you wanted to rape her?
No, Your Highness, there must be a mix-up somewhere. I don't understand what you're saying.
What don't you understand? What don't you understand? Rapists like you.
Did you hear that?
Guards! Your Highness!
Take him to the garden and teach him the lesson of his life.
Your Highness!
The lesson of his life. Take him away! It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Stop crying. Just keep and freshen up. Okay? Sorry. Go. Never forget it.
What do I do? I need you, my love. If I am wrong, Obina. If I am wrong, Obina. I'm crying for you. Please come to me. I'm crying for you.
This low life of a girl. Where do you think you're going?
I pray that the girls bring her.
Have you forgotten the customs of this land? Don't you know you're not supposed to go to the stream when the princess is there? What is your problem? Tell me, what is your problem? There's a specific time for the princess to go to the stream and have a bath. And that time is over. I am going to have my bath and fetch some water. Don't you dare walk out of me! You there! You have the guts to hold my hand? You think you're smart?
You know our price.
Rape her to death.
You told us in time that you want us to go and meet our death.
What are you talking about?
Our brother is dead. Our brother is dead.
Dead?
Our brother is dead.
I don't understand. What is happening? Yes, Obina will pay for this. He must pay for this. So you followed me? Make sure nothing happens to me.
What if something happens to him?
You are an experienced man.
You're still a low life. You can't do anything, okay?
I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, open arms. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, open arms. If I am wrong,
Mama. What is it? Why are you looking like this?
Mama, two guys came from the palace and said that Diego wants to see Obinna.
Again?
Again! It's bothering me because since then I've not seen him.
Hey! What are we waiting for? Let's go to the palace. Come, let's go to the palace.
Stop there!
I want to see my son.
The Igwe does not wish to see your presence in the palace.
Why?
Yes. Leave now.
I want to see my son.
No. Leave now. Leave.
My brother is here.
I want to see my son.
Stop it.
Your Highness.
My queen.
Your Highness.
Yes?
This is the order from the king.
So? My queen. Kiro. I came back from the market. My son told me that some guys came and took away my senior son Obinna, and that they brought him to the palace. And since then he has not returned. I know Obinna very well, I can swear. My son can never do such a thing.
I know. He did not do it. I know he did not do it. Pray that the gods will aid him.
He said.
Help him.
He said.
Why would the princess think of a thing like that?
My fear is that the custom of the land states that anybody caught in this act shall be buried alive.
Hey!
And you're an exception to it.
My queen, my son is innocent.
I know.
My son is innocent.
Kira, I know. I know he's innocent. But what can we do?
My son is innocent.
Think of it. I think Obinna is innocent of the allegation.
My dear, you never can tell. You know the princess is so pretty that any man that sees her will want to have his way into her.
My instinct tells me that he is innocent.
I don't know. All I know that serves him right. Who I pity is the wife to be Adora.
So, she'll just lose him like that?
From the first I met Obinna, I knew he was something else.
Just keep your mouth shut. Don't say what you're not sure of.
Please, let's go and feed our eyes at this house.
gods of the earth, please temper justice with mercy. Thank you.
My son, I will never forgive you. We're talking about our son, yeah? Our first son, and look at how you're handling this situation.
So what do you want me to do? Die with him? A rapist?
You call your own son a rapist?
Of course he is a rapist.
That means you're the father of a rapist. Never forget that.
Papa, you know Bina too well. You know you cannot do such a thing.
Oh, shut up. What do you know? Now listen to me. Being sentimental over this matter will not make any difference. Let him go and prove his innocence. And I think the only reason why two of you are talking here is because you have no shame. Oh yes, if you do, you won't be talking here.
All I know is that my son is innocent.
No, Bina is not a rapist. Bina is not a rapist.
Would you shut up?
If my amor, I'm crying for you.
My brother, he's so amazing. So, Obina will just die. Just like that.
A princess that loves to give away her pride to him, just in a platter of gold. How could he be so foolish going to steal it from her?
I'm disappointed in him. I'm disappointed in Obina.
Anyway, let's be fast and go to the palace and see what the Igwe's final judgment will be. Let's go.
Fool thought it wise to think he could rape my only daughter, the princess of the world. As we all know, the custom and tradition of this place states that anyone who tries to rape a maiden here shall be stoned to death or buried alive.
Yes! He must die!
I did not make the rule. My ancestors did. Therefore, by the way, where is the princess?
I never knew to get to this. What do I do now? I love him. I really love him. Father should know that he's about to kill the only man I want to spend the rest of my life with. What's up, land?
She should be somewhere resting because the pains are much. Guards!
Your Highness.
Take him away and bury him alive.
My son is innocent! My son is innocent!
My son-in-law is innocent. Everybody knows he cannot do such a thing. Please.
Keep quiet, woman. Do not forget that women have no say when it comes to the tradition and custom of this land. Otherwise, I will call for your heads and I'll have them.
I never knew to get to this. What do I do now? I love him. I really love him. Father should know that he's about to kill the only man I want to spend the rest of my life with. What's up, land?
lied against an innocent man?
What are you doing? How did you get here?
Give him to me peacefully.
You foolish low life. How dare you command the servants of the royal household? Stay clear!
I said, give him to me peacefully.
Get out of our way!
I won't.
Please.
Don't move an inch.
Please.
Now listen. Run like a goat out of this place and go and tell them what you see. Run!
What is after you? Who is pursuing you?
Your Highness, my mouth cannot speak what my eyes saw.
What is it that your eyes saw, your mouth cannot speak? Where are the other guards? Where are they?
They are dead. They are dead, Your Highness.
They are what?
They are dead.
Dead?
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you mean they are dead?
That is something nobody on earth will wish to experience, Your Highness.
Who killed them?
Adora, Your Highness.
Leave me alone. I don't know where she is.
If you don't produce her,
then you are going to the palace with us.
I do not know where she is. Leave me alone.
You must go with us, or you provide her.
Let her be. She's not going anywhere.
She must go with us.
I said she is not going anywhere.
She must go with us. Move her! Move!
Don't touch me.
You don't have to.
Immediately.
Relax. We're here to go now.
Where is that going to be? Look, this place is very dangerous. Something bad might happen to us.
Relax. I'll be back. Let me go and get you water. Excuse me.
Stay out of my way. I have come in peace. I am sent by gods of the earth. Gods of the earth, come to my aid.
You! Guards! Yes! Arrest her!
Have Have you asked yourself how you became the king of this land?
I cannot be alive and watch Emenike, the son of that witch, be the next king of Ezara. Mbano, Omanme. Not when I'm still alive. It cannot happen. Mbano.
I have told you that you know the best thing to do. What you need to do is make him not to live on this earth again.
I can use a thing like that. If I do, he will point accusing finger at me.
You know that there are many ways to kill a bird. It's very simple.
The both of you should go back. I wish to go alone.
But my prince, the king is not.
And I said I want to go alone.
Alright, my prince.
Better.
Sorry.
What? Take your hands off!
What is going on?
What is going on?
You want to rape me?
Rape you?
Rape me?
Rape you? Will you take your hands off me? Take your hands off me!
You must reach palace.
Take your hands off me! I never raped you, woman! What is your problem? Me rape you!
You must reach palace! You must reach palace! You must die!
Father, you have to believe me, honestly. I'm innocent. I never did it. Father, you have to believe me. You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Believe me, I never did it, honestly. Father, this is a setup.
How could you bring this shame to me?
Father, you have to believe me. I swear by the soil of this land, I'm innocent, Father.
Woman, I'm disappointed.
I see.
So, this is the reason why you refuse the guard from following you.
Father, I swear by the soil of this land, I never raped this woman. I never did. I never did, Father.
And you, woman, is this how you intend ruling this land?
Your son is innocent.
I'm disappointed at you. Is this how you intend ruling this land?
Father, you have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Father, you have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Father, you just have to believe me. I never raped this woman. I never did.
God! Take him and bury him alive.
Bury him alive. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
An innocent blood was shed, and the same thing almost happened to Obinna today because of your daughter's selfish interest.
How did you come to know all this? How?
It is not your business. The sins of the forefathers must be inherited by their new generation. never leave again. Never!
She will leave. As long as the gods said yes, she will leave.
Who are you to interfere?
I am who I am. Gods of Iziani! Gods of Iziani can never forsake his people.
No! You will pay for this! You will pay for this!
It to end this way. Oh, nature must take its place. Yes.
My love, I don't understand. What are you talking about? Huh?
Obi, I love you so much. I love you.
I know. Okay. You look so weak, okay? I think you need a cold bath. Let me take you to the stream too. Go back.
We must be given a befitting burial. Your daughter will live. She's alive.
Where am I?
Go to the palace. Your destiny awaits you.
Who are you?
That shouldn't be a priority now. Go!
Know what came over him. It is well. Only the gods know why it happened. What of Adora? That one I cannot tell. Nami, who is after you?
I saw Obinna.
Obinna! Where?
Running towards the palace direction.
Was he with my daughter? No. Hey!
It was only him.
Huh? Huh?
They are both meant for each other.
My son! My son! Oh, thank God my son is alive.
Adora! Adora has gone back to where she belongs. You were used to bring peace and harmony into Eziani, but you shall be rewarded. By the gods.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I